Okay, this is 6.4, question number 5. And the first thing that we did talk about that you need to remember is distance equals rate times time. So this formula we're going to use a lot in the next little bit. So a rollerblader rides 2 miles out and then back. The speed is reduced by 15% because of the wind. Let R be the speed in miles per hour riding out. What expression represents the total time in hours riding out and back? So we need time, and so I'm going to get T alone by dividing by R. So time equals distance divided by rate. So we're going to have to find the time going out and then the time coming back. The reason that we're going to have to do those separate is because we have different rates. Going out we have a rate, and then coming back we have it reduced by 15%. So we're going to find the distance divided by rate for going out, which we're traveling 2 miles. And then it says right here, let R be the speed in miles per hour riding out. So 2 divided by R. Once I have R, I'll plug that in and I'll know the rate. All right, so returning back, we still have to travel those 2 miles, so our distance doesn't change, but it's our rate that changes. So we've reduced that speed by 15% when we have to come back. So if you think about it, I mean, you have 100% of your rate. We're going to have to use R, because that's the only thing. I mean, it's saying that speed, this rate right here, is reduced. So we have to put it in comparison to that. So going out, we had 100% of our speed, but we reduce it by 15%, you're going to get 85%, which is 0.85. Okay, so riding back, we only get 85% of that original speed because the wind's pushing on us. So this is the setup, right? We're done setting it up. Now all we have to do is add. So notice we don't have the same denominator, but they both do have an R, so all I need is a multiply by 85%. What you do at the bottom, you got to do to the top. So our time will be, and then if you multiply those, you'll get 1.7. Okay, let me double check. I think it's 1.7. All right, 2 times, yep, it is. All right, so then I add them, and I get 3.7 divided by 0.85 R. So once I have the rate, I plug it in, and I can figure out how long it'll take them, this rollerblader, to go out and back. So email me, let me know if you have any other questions, but that's about it.